Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I quickly install my hair and my wigs after it's already been made. I'm a super lazy person. Like, I don't like to do all the got-to-be glue or use like anything else. I literally just use my got-to-be spray and that's it. If I'm going somewhere that requires like more hold on my hair, then that's when I'll use like got-to-be, or I'll actually glue down my hair. But on a regular light day, I just spritz my hair. I just do 2 layers of the spritz and slap my wig on. So yeah, I just use 2 layers. I spray the first layer and let it dry a little bit, like let it get tacky like eyelash glue. Then I spray the second layer and let it get tacky like eyelash glue. And I like to use the tail of my edge brush and just use that to help push the lace into the wig. So you can see I kind of put my wig down a little bit too further down in this video. I don't put it down that down on my head, but since I don't really have like a good mirror to really see what the heck is going on, that is why I'm over here putting it on my head, kind of weird. So please ignore that. It's really not that bad, but I just want to avoid the ratchet comments. Let me know that, hey sis, your wig too low. Anywho, so here I'm just going in with my edge brush and just pulling out the baby hairs and cleaning up the hairline a bit, because I think I slept with this wig on, so it's kind of like fuzzy everywhere and the hair is just all over the place. I'm going in with just a regular green eco styling gel to just kind of swoop my edges. And since I've already like made the baby hairs the way I like them previously, I'm not going to be using any like got-to-be glue or anything. Regular eco styler gel kind of just does the job. And I'm not doing like all of the edges, like the little sideburn part. I'm ignoring that because it's a middle part wig. No one's going to see my sides unless I make them see my sides. So I really just focus on the baby hairs that will be seen. So yeah, as you can see, I'm quite lazy. But yeah, I just go ahead. I'm going to swoop the little swoops and put on my little scarf for like about 20 minutes. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do my wig. It's super simple. Lay the hair, lay the edges, apply a scarf, and that's it. Now I'm going to proceed to detangling and defining the curls on this wig. This hair is from ALI DOREMI Hair Company. It is their kinky curly hair. I was sent 4 bundles plus a frontal. I was initially sent 24 inches, but as you can see, it's not on 24 inches. But like in all my videos, I've been saying it's hot. I don't know why I keep trying to get 24 inches. Like, I can handle 24 inches. I'm foolish. I'm just foolish. Anyways, I already have a very detailed detangling process video out. So if you want to check out how I like define my curls and stuff detailedly, then I'll link the video down below. So now I'm going to use this little spot to kind of talk about my thoughts on the hair. So let's start with the pros. This hair is super soft. Like, I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks now, and I still maintain this initial softness. And I feel like the hair is very affordable for the 4 bundles plus a frontal. I forgot how much it costs, but I know that it's a very affordable hair company, and I'll put that down below in the description box. And the hair does have tangling, but it's nothing like crazy. It is called kinky curly hair, so there's kinks in the hair, so tangling is very expected, but it's nothing out of the blue type of thing. The hair is super thick. I was sent 4 bundles, but this wig only used 3.5. I could have gotten away with 3 bundles, honestly. So you're trying to decide whether or not to spend the extra money for 4 bundles. Girl, 3 bundles will do you just good. And overall, I feel like for curly hair and kinky curly hair, this hair is low maintenance. Like, I can detangle it every 3 days. Some hair you have to like detangle it every 2 days or every day you want to wear it because it gets too big. And that's not the case with this. The curls do kind of hold their form throughout like 2 to 3 days. And now for the cons. The cons of the hair is that the frontal was shedding quite a bit when I first got it, and this was even before I bleached the knots. Like, I just got the package and I was getting a lot of shedding from the frontal. It's not shedding as much now, but the hair overall does kind of shed, which is something I'm not very happy about. Another con is that I did bleach the hair before I cut the hair. I wanted like kind of like a ombre curly hair look, and I did bleach the hair, mostly the ends. I noticed that the ends were like looser in the curl pattern than the top, which is another reason why I did cut the hair shorter, because I didn't like the looser curl pattern. So if you want to bleach this hair, you will get like a looser curl than the initial curl pattern. So I don't recommend bleaching it, in my opinion. The frontal itself doesn't seem like it's going to last too long. Like, I'm already getting some like baby hair shedding from my frontals, and I really did not pluck this. I did not bleach this hair too much. So when you get this frontal, do not like pluck too hard, because you're just going to have a bald frontal as time goes by. But overall, I feel like this hair, for the price and the quality of the hair in general, I'd give it like a 7.9 to an 8. Like, it gets a B- from me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I do recommend this hair overall, because for the price, it's not bad at all. In conclusion, I do recommend this hair to you guys, especially if you're looking for something on the lower end of the price range. But now that I'm done with that, I'm going to continue to doing my makeup. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. This video, I think I'm going to kind of stop talking here.
GC on the track, boy. 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 DC on the track, boy.